In this video, we will give a brief overview and installation demo of GAIA, an open-source solution designed for the quick setup and execution of generative AI applications on local PC hardware. Let's try a simple chatbot using Llama 3.21b. For example, let's ask, "Tell me a sci-fi story about a sentient nebula." The query, system prompt, and message history are all sent to the local LLM server, and a response is quickly generated. In this example, the Llama 3.21b model can run at 60+ tokens per second, and a time to first token is under 1 second. GAIA supports various use cases like RAG, completion, chat, and agents, and supports 7 large language models. Now, let us dive into the key features of GAIA. GAIA enables fast and efficient execution of LLM-based applications using a hybrid hardware approach that combines the AMD Neural Processing Unit (NPU) and Integrated Graphics Processing Unit (iGPU) in the Ryzen AI PC. GAIA allows users to easily run powerful language models directly on your Windows device without cloud dependencies. It supports multiple use cases from basic chat to RAG-enhanced applications and specialized agents. It also uses the AMD NPU and iGPU for hybrid acceleration to get fast and efficient AI processing. GAIA also provides both a command line interface and a graphical user interface option for easy interaction with models and agents. Lastly, it allows you to easily build and integrate your own agents and use cases. GAIA comes in 2 flavors: the hybrid mode, optimized for Ryzen AI PCs, or the generic mode, which is compatible with any Windows PC using a Llama as the backend. Now, let's install GAIA. First, start by downloading the zip file and open the installer. Then, double-click the executable and follow the installation instructions. Installation can take 5 to 10 minutes depending on your internet, so please be patient. Once complete, 2 desktop icons should appear on the left side of your screen. Click on each to start the UI or CLI or select Run GAIA. The CLI allows you to start servers, manage chat sessions, and customize model configurations without writing code. For more info on the CLI tool, visit the docs here. The first time GAIA boots, it can take a few minutes to set up and download models. Once it finishes loading, you should see the UI appear. Here, you can explore different use cases throughout the options menu or select the target LLM for that use case. You now know how to install GAIA. For questions or feedback, please reach out to GAIA at amd.com. Thanks for watching.